subscribe to my channel.
The Umbrella Bearer, a symphony of rain and shadows. The rain-soaked streets hold their breath as she passes, an ethereal figure wrapped in mystery. Here, amidst the glistening cobblestones, let us explore facets of her existence that remain hidden from ordinary eyes. Silent footfalls, her steps are like whispered secrets, barely disturbing the puddles. Each footfall resonates with the weight of memories, the ones she carries and the ones she seeks. The city's denizens catch glimpses of her brief, fleeting moments when time seems to pause. They wonder, is she a specter or a savior? Eyes of the abyss. Those storm-gray eyes hold entire sagas. They've witnessed forgotten empires crumble and love bloom in forbidden gardens. When she gazes into the distance, it's as if she peers through veils of time. Some say her irises shimmer with stardust, a celestial map etched into her soul. Others claim they harbor the reflection of lost constellations. The veil of rain, her ebony hair clings to her skin, strands like ink strokes against the canvas of her pale face. Rainwater weaves through the strands, carrying memories of distant downpours. Perhaps her hair is a conduit, an umbilical cord connecting her to realms beyond. Or maybe it's merely a reminder of her earthly existence. The coat of shadows, that charcoal gray coat tailored to perfection, swirls around her like a tempest. Its fabric absorbs raindrops, yet it never grows heavy. Some say it's woven from forgotten lullabies. The turned-up collar conceals scars, the price she paid for glimpsing forbidden truths. Beneath the coat, her white blouse clings to her like a second skin, its purity a stark contrast to her enigmatic purpose. Midnight constellations, the black umbrella she wields is no ordinary shelter. Its curved wooden handle fits her palm like a lover's touch, and the midnight blue canopy embroidered with silver constellations holds secrets. When rain taps against it, it harmonizes with the city's heartbeat. Some nights, the constellations rearrange themselves, spelling out cryptic messages only she can decipher. The clock tower rendezvous. The old clock tower stands sentinel, its face obscured by ivy. Here she lingers, listening to raindrops compose their melancholic symphony on the cobblestones. Is she waiting for someone, a lover lost to time, or perhaps an adversary who knows her true purpose? The tower's chimes mark her silent vigil, the voice of rain. When she speaks, it's as if raindrops form words. Her voice, soft, deliberate, carries echoes of forgotten prayers. She imparts wisdom to those who dare to listen. Some claim her words can heal broken hearts or unravel curses. Others believe they hold the key to unlocking the city's forgotten past.